Hi folks, welcome to setting up your MDC Caravan shower tent. Across the range of MDC Caravans, the shower tent's all set up in the same manner. In the kit, you'll have your nylon room, a PVC floor, a small bag with some pegs and some ropes in it, and a pole kit. The pole kit consists of two of these, two spigot poles, which have the little spigot at the top and a rubber cap at the bottom, and a spreader pole which has an eye at each end. That sets up at the back of the shower room and is roped back to keep it all taut and looking nice. The shower tent has an insert for a sail track across the top. I'll now show you how to find that and put it into the sail track on the Caravan. Once you get your shower tent out of the bag, what you need to find is this part along here. It's a cord inside PVC material. That is your insert for the sail track just above my head here. And to work out which is the back of the shower tent, there's a cutout here for the XT15PT for the light. So once this goes in place, the light can still be used through the shower tent. Now I'll show you how to insert it in the track. Now to get it started, what we do, put our insert into the end of the sail track here and carefully feed it through. Being sure not to force it. A little bit of a tip too, if you want to put some silicone spray on this, it'll make it go in a lot smoother. Right, now that's in, we can set up our poles. Quick tip before you put the poles up, peg out your ropes before you get started. Set them out at a bit of an angle behind the tent and it'll make life easier when putting your poles in place. So you can see what I've done with the poles here. I've set them up in basically a H pattern, two spigot poles, spread a pole across the top and rope them off at a 45-degree angle. On the side, at the corner of the tent here, you've got Velcro tabs. So you just basically do up the Velcro. That'll hold the tent in shape. Now we just peg it in and put our floor in. At the base of the doors on the front of the shower tent, you see a little rubber bungee. This is there so you can actually peg it down at the front, undo the zip and still squeeze inside without putting undue stress on and tearing the material. But mind you, if you're big like me, be careful, don't overstretch it, but you can indeed peg these down so the base of the front door is set. Now, we've got our floor in place, we've got our shower head set up and our cabinet to the controls, the taps, all ready to go, ready for a shower. There you go folks, the external ensuite shower tent for your XT Caravan set up, ready to go.